How to report a compromised Capital One credit card. Reporting a compromised Capital One credit card immediately by the Capital One mobile app or website. What you want to do is, first thing first, you could use your browser, type in Capital One support team. Once you find it, so you want to click open the first link that pops up. Here you just want to make sure to go ahead and select need help, or you just want to go ahead and select report a problem feature on a specific transactions, or report a card as lost or stolen to instantly freeze the amount or an account as well. And if that doesn't work, you could also contact the customer care through a toll-free number. It will be easily accessible. So here you go to the home page. There you have a Capital One 24 service. You could go ahead and tap open the link, and there you will be provided with a number. And likewise, you could also go ahead and open up your app if you are able to access. Then you could simply go ahead and select the transactions or a specific transaction. Then you could simply go ahead and select report, and that way as well you could report a compromised Capital One credit card. With that being said, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.